Okay, I've been working on something all dang day. I'm tired. I don't want to do any more work, but also I want to do work. Do you know what that feeling feels like? It's really confusing because like I'm the type of person that when I'm excited to work on something, I literally only want to do that. And I've had to like remind myself that there are other people, like my family, that kind of need me, and also that I do want to spend time with them, right? But like I don't know, maybe you guys, maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you just have that same like fire when you're working on something that's super exciting and you just want to finish it. Like I don't like to leave things undone. It's bothering me right now that I plugged my computer in over there and I'm not going to touch it for the rest of the night. But I really just want to open it up and like work all night long into the morning. But here's what I know, and I've learned this lesson. Okay, take it from me if you're anything like me. I gave myself adrenal fatigue in 2018 doing that. True story. I learned a lot from that time. I think like what people don't understand is listen to me. When I got adrenal fatigue in 2018 as a newer entrepreneur, like trying to get my product seen, get my post seen, get my content seen, staying up way too late, getting up way too early because I had 2 children that were very young and needed all of me. That time in my life, me getting adrenal fatigue is actually a lesson that I could monetize now if I want to, and technically I kind of do because that story is infiltrated into my courses and my programs and my mentorship, right? I get to teach people what not to do, how to skip the mistakes that I made so that they don't have the same thing happen to them. I'm telling you right now, you have something like that in your life. You're sitting on it. You're sitting on a gold mine. I could literally make an entire business out of helping aspiring entrepreneurs not get adrenal fatigue. How do we not step into the hustle culture that is like so popular in entrepreneurship, and how to be successful without doing that? And I can do that because I had to go through the shit, right? Like I had to go through the things, get adrenal fatigue, figure out how to come out of it, figure out how to prioritize my health and take better care of myself and not stay up till 3 o'clock in the morning because it didn't serve me and it didn't serve anybody. So I'm just here to tell you that you have something. If you want to change your life, if you want to do something different, you don't just sit there. You have something. Okay, so this is like me. This is me like reaching back my hand and going, take my hand. Let me guide you so that you don't. We're going to avoid the potholes. We're going to take the shortcuts. We're going to take the beautiful route. You know, maybe if you've made it this far, maybe this post is for you. And I just want to let you know that what I did was I took all my lessons and I took all the things that I learned and I took all the things that don't work. We teach people not to do that. I took the things that do work and now we teach people how to do that. And what I did is I pulled it all together in this little itty bitty tiny 75-minute workshop, and I literally teach you how to find your idea. If you're like, I do want to build my own business, I do want to make my own money, I do want to get my time back, but Gwen, I don't know, like how do I know what idea to start with? You're welcome. I made it. I made this free workshop for you. So here you go. It's in my profile. You can comment pop and I'll send it to you. Send me a message. I like having conversations. Either way, you're welcome.